السلام عليكم. لا تنسوا الإعجاب بالفيديو والاشتراك في القناة تشجيعا لنا لنستمر بنشر المزيد إن شاء الله.
The traditional distinction between public law and private law reflects the fundamental structure of legal relationships within society. Public law governs the relationship between the state and individuals, emphasizing authority, sovereignty, and the protection of public interest. It includes constitutional law, criminal law, and administrative law, where the state acts as a superior power. In contrast, private law regulates relationships among individuals based on equality, autonomy of will, and the protection of personal interests. This includes civil law, commercial law, and family law. This division illustrates how the state interacts with society. In public law, the state exercises its authority to regulate and protect the public order. In private law, individuals interact on an equal footing, and the state intervenes only to enforce rights or settle disputes. However, specialized legal branches increasingly blur this classical distinction. For example, administrative law is traditionally part of public law, yet it often governs areas where individuals engage with public services or contracts, mixing public authority with private rights. Similarly, commercial law, although traditionally private, involves extensive state regulation to ensure fair competition, protect consumers, and maintain economic stability. These interventions introduce public law principles into private law domains. Additionally, modern legal systems witness the rise of hybrid fields such as labor law, environmental law, and economic regulation, which combine elements of both public and private law. These fields show that state intervention is no longer limited to public matters, and that individual autonomy is increasingly influenced by public regulations. Thus, the evolution of specialized legal branches demonstrates that the rigid boundary between public and private law is becoming less clear. Contemporary legal systems tend to adopt a more integrated approach, reflecting the complex and interconnected nature of modern social, economic, and administrative relationships.